Hello. Today, we will see an indicator called Heikin Ashi Normal Price Overlay. Many traders use Heikin Ashi charts in their setup. But since the price of the Heikin Ashi chart is a derived price and not the actual price that gets traded on the exchange, the traders still need to monitor the actual candlestick prices. So generally, the traders open a separate panel on TradingView. In one panel, they have the normal candlestick chart, and in the other, they have the Heikin Ashi chart. But the problem here is that having multiple panels requires buying the paid version of the TradingView. The free version does not have this feature. So I thought of creating an indicator that will overlay normal candlestick prices like open, high, low, and close values on the Heikin Ashi charts. And vice versa. See, this is how the indicator looks. I'm on the normal candlesticks chart. And the indicator is showing me the OHLC levels as per the Heikin Ashi chart. It shows 4 lines as well as their values in the respective labels. The levels are shown only on the latest candle to avoid the crowd on the chart. If I open a Heikin Ashi chart underneath, you can cross-check the OHLC values from that chart with the values shown by the indicator. You can try the other way around, also. You can apply the indicator on the Heikin Ashi chart. So now the indicator draws the lines as per the normal candlestick chart or the bar chart. And here I have plotted a normal bar chart to cross-check the values. Okay, so this is the overall concept of the indicator. Now let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name Heikin Ashi Normal Price Overlay Indicator. The first and most important step is to find out which chart the user has applied to their screen. If the chart is Heikin Ashi, we will use normal candlestick data. And if the chart is a normal candlestick, then we will use Heikin Ashi data. Then, we use the request.security function to extract the open, high, low, and close values of a candle. Then, we declare 4 line variables. We have to delete the lines from the previous candles. Then, we draw 4 fresh new lines on the latest candle. Similarly, we declare 4 label variables. We delete the labels from the previous candles. And then, draw 4 fresh new labels on the latest candle. Here, we have an input option to adjust the label size. This is how the input looks. So this is how the indicator works. There is another approach to it. Let's see it that way. I have commented on almost all the code where we draw the lines and labels. And see here, we can use the plot function to draw the lines. So in this way, we get those 4 values on all the candles instead of just the latest candle. But this output could be hard to work with, as it is difficult to understand which line is what. You may draw labels here also for convenience. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.